All right, if you've been freezing for a couple of days now, a little tiny break from the frigid air for a while.
It's kind of funny. We have this next system coming in tomorrow. It'll be warm enough for plain rain, not freezing rain on parts of the coast.
Right,
It's going to be warm enough for
rainy
rain.
day.
What a difference.
Yeah, and it's not going to last long, but get your little dose of the milder
Right.
air in while we have it.
Okay.
One day of not teeth chattering.
Yeah, that's for
good.
sure. We get a little break from this. And I do think the nights over the next few days won't be quite as cold as it was this morning either. So coming up tonight, we've got a little round of some snow showers that moves in from the west. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot widespread from this, but on parts of the mid-coast and down east, pretty consistent signals. There could be an inch or two of snow as that comes through. Then tomorrow, this has a little bit more moisture with it. There also is a rain snow line. So it'll drag some milder air in to central and southern Maine, and we'll see snow that changes to rain in spots. Right now it's 9 in Calais. Clouds not quite as thick here yet. 14 in Bangor, 19 in Lewiston, and 23 in Portsmouth. Over the next few hours, we remain dry. The clouds thicken up. Toward about 11, midnight tonight, we start to see some snow showers develop. They're patchy and scattered over southern and central Maine, but from the mid-coast through down east, they're probably a little bit more persistent, and you get a burst of snow here during the middle of the night tonight. So the best chance for any accumulation is going to be from Rockland through eastern Maine, and that's where there could be a fluffy couple of inches. So there might be enough to require getting the sanders and plows out briefly along the down east coast very early tomorrow morning, while the rest of us are just looking at some patchy coatings. I don't think there's much out there tonight outside of down east Maine. Tomorrow morning, we're going to start out with some cloud cover, but we get a mostly dry morning. By noontime, snow fills in through the interior, and it will be cold through western and interior central Maine. So the roads will get slippery here during the afternoon. Along the coastline, though, it looks like the wind comes in off the ocean, and that will push a rain snow line inland, but it will likely take a few hours to make it inland. So around 3 or 4 o'clock, it does look a little slippery from the Lakes region up through Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, and Bangor. And then even there, we should see a flip to rain during the evening tomorrow. That never really makes it fully through the Oxford Hills or through northern Maine, though. So it'll remain cold and snowy there into tomorrow evening, while the rest of us just deal with a chilly rain, although milder than it's been, through the first half of tomorrow night. And then we get this out of here by Thursday morning. So coating up to an inch of snow possible, northern York County, most of Cumberland County, through Augusta, Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, and Bangor. And then once you get into the foothills and mountains, 1 to 3 inches with the most accumulation up across the far north. Looks cold to end the week. We get another shot of cold air for Friday, and then we'll have to watch this system for the weekend. Right now, latest indications are it gets its act together once it's gone east of us on Sunday, but there's a chance we could get at least some snow showers. Seas tomorrow 5 to 8 feet with a southwest to southerly wind, 15 to 25 knots. So snow and rain moving in tomorrow. Again, the farther inland you are, western Maine, the foothills and mountains, there will be some accumulation and some slick travel, but closer to the coast, we're just looking at some rain. Cold and blustery for Friday. Saturday looks dry. We'll watch Sunday. There could be some snow showers or a little light snow, and then it looks quite cold again for early next week.
Oof.
Yeah.
All right. Lots going on.
You got it.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.